Experience classic Boston charm and modern comfort in this beautifully updated 3-bedroom apartment at. The spacious living room welcomes you with warm natural light and an open layout, perfect for both everyday relaxation and entertaining. High ceilings enhance the airy feel, while timeless details add to the character and charm. The modern kitchen features sleek stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, along with plenty of counter and cabinet space to make meal prep effortless and enjoyable. Each of the 3 bedrooms offers a peaceful retreat, highlighted by beautiful wood flooring and flexible layouts to suit your lifestyle. Perfect for restful nights, a home office, or a creative space. With its spacious layout, inviting warmth, and thoughtful finishes, this apartment is ready to become your next home. Reach out today. Discover how life at can be everything you've been looking for.